Hello guys, this is Cat Total by Raki YouTube channel. In this channel, I will teach you this exercise in AutoCAD 2D drawings. This exercise number 6, all dimension mm. Okay, let's go to AutoCAD drawings and this drawing firstly prepare this upper portion and I will mirror it. Okay, this die is 36 and this radius is 34. And this die is 14. This die is 14. This upper one lower part is 10 mm. Offset 5. This 32 mm. Okay, let's start drawing in AutoCAD. Okay, first you have start the circle dia enter 36 mm. 36. Okay, and I will make center line, straight line, and take it at midpoint at this one, and offset enter 66 mm. 66 mm. And again the circle copy and place it. Okay, and next process is this one, radius 34, circle radius 34, enter, and also copy this one and copy and place it, and radius is 20, tan radius, click outer body to outer circle, radius is 20, enter, and again trim, and this one copy and mirror, no, and again trim this one, this one, and delete, select, delete it, and okay. And the next part is this middle one part, take a line into middle and join, and this line copy, enter, and select center part middle. Okay, this portion is 10 mm, offset 5 by 32. Okay, and offset enter 5 mm, enter, click this one to upper portion and this one to lower portion, and this center portion is 32 divided by 2 equals 16 mm, offset enter 16 mm, right side 16, left side 16, and again trim enter, double enter, and click all unwanted material is trim, and this one select and delete, select and this one are select and delete, this one and select and delete, and this line is extended, make a center line, extend, enter, this line select, enter, this line select, this one more top to end bottom, and this one line also extend, click again enter, this one. Okay, I will make this line delete, and I will make copy, enter, and this one is copy. 3 lines are center lines make. Okay, this scale is large, so select and go to properties, make 0.2 mm, enter, or it can visible. Okay, and match property, MA, enter, and click this one and select and click. Okay, this portion is complete. Pending portion is this one and this one and this one and this one. Okay, and now go to AutoCAD and make it as 30 degree. It has 30 degree. It is also 30 degree. Go to AutoCAD and line ortho mode of and tab it is 60° and make this one is mirror ortho mode on and straight and is no. Okay, and this is radius dia 14 circle dia 14 mm, enter, and again circle this one also 14 mm, and select and mirror, enter, select the center point, click no. Okay, and the next one radius is how much? This radius is okay, this radius also 14 mm or 14. Go to AutoCAD and click circle. This radius is 14 mm, 14, and this one also mirror no. Okay, next one is radius the top and bottom radius. This radius is 6, this radius is 5. Okay, so F enter, R enter, 5, this one and this one, and again left side also. Okay, this one tan radius is 6. This select tan radius and select the circle, 2 circle, and this one 6 mm, enter, and again this portion is completed, and this one is balance. So this one, this line connected to this circle. Okay, and go to AutoCAD and this line copy and placing on circle tangent. Okay, and trim, enter, double enter, click this one, click this one, center line, this one click, and this one all unwanted material you trim. Okay, all unwanted material trim. This one is center circle. Okay, again this one trim, and this one also trim, you trim. All unwanted material you trim. This select and delete. This one select and delete. And this one is trim. This select and delete. Okay, these two line radiuses, center line. This one is trim. Okay. This lower portion is ready. And this one line also center line. Circle center line. Okay. Next, this part to go through upper left side. This one make it as in rotate. Okay. This one is select, and this one also select. You can rotate point is center one, this one. You can select copy. One more is missing. Okay, and this radius also you can rotate. Select the radius and rotate, make it as center, and this is copy, and move this one line. This is copying. Okay, and next this one line also you have copy. This one line also, this one is copying. Select this one all material and rotate, click a center point, and you have click on copy and make it as Yes, correct. And you make the center line also, you have mirror on this. Okay, select the center line, mi mirror, enter, select the center point, unknown. Okay, and you have to this line, you make select this also, make it a center line. You can break some line. Okay, break enter, some distance, some small distance. Okay, and again enter, break the line this to this. Okay, this is separate line. You can match property into this, convert as center line. Okay, okay, all pattern is covered. Okay, fine. Okay, super. All part is okay, and make it at its dimensions. Okay, make it as its dimensions. Select the dimension radius. This one is 14 mm. This one is 6 mm. 6 mm radius. This one is 20 and this one is 34. And this distance is 66. Select end to end point and click enter 66. And this one is 10 mm. This one is 10 mm and this one is 32 mm. 32 mm and the center dia is 36 mm. 36 mm. And okay, next one which dimension I will be seeing, 33 mm. Okay, this dimension is 33 mm. Click this center point to this center is 33 mm. And again this one is 30 degree. Select angle and click this to this. This one is 30 degree. Okay, okay, this drawing fully okay. Okay, and okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and like and share it. Okay, thank you.